Oh my god. Look at the deepest spot.
Oh my, it goes up to my forearm.
How deep?
To my fucking forearm. Go!
Oh my god. No. Ha. Oh my god. Look at that smell. Go stand in the deepest part. I want to see how deep it gets.
I'm gonna fuck you up so bad.
Look.
You did it. You just did it. You made it. You just did it. Oh God, open the door.
Are you cold? It's snowing right now too.
Come on, my feet are fucking frozen. Open the door.
No.
You're so fucking. You're so.
Hi.
The longer you keep me out here, the worse it's gonna be for you. You made a huge mistake.
Nuh-uh.
You made a huge mistake.
This is a great thing. I think it's hilarious.
I'm not letting you put this on the internet. Let me in. I'm not letting you put this on the internet. I'm steaming. This is how cold it is outside.
It's okay.
Oh, please. Come on, alright. Enough.
Now, maybe I should make him some hot chocolate. I feel bad. Aww.
You got me. Please, my feet are fucking cold. Please.
No!
I'm gonna kill you. This is like perfect snowball on us. Come on!
No! Hi! Jesse! Jess! Look! The fireplace is on. It feels so warm.
Door, please. Alright,
I'm so warm. Is it cold?
Hey, my feet are so cold. Please.
It's not funny, is it? If you're laughing, I'm not going to let you in.
I'm really cold.
Don't worry, I have a special treat for you when you come inside.
You got me. Open the door now. You're fucked up, though. I can't believe you did that.
You have snow. I can see the snow on the back of your hat. Let me see your hat. Aw, how do your feet feel?
Alright, now. Fucker.